Hey everyone, today I want to show you something really cool about Hugging Face Spaces. You've probably used their interactive demos before. They're super fun for testing AI models. But sometimes you need more power, no rate limits, or you want to run the model in your own environment, or even use the API. In this demo, I'll walk you through how we use Hugging Face Space, containerize it, and run it on Runpod so you get full power, no restrictions, and unlimited usage. Before we start, here are the only two prerequisites you need. First, a Hugging Face account, just so you can generate an access token. Second, a Runpod account with your payment method set up. And if you're new to Runpod, you can use my referral link to get a bonus of up to $500 in credits, which is awesome for testing GPU pods. First, head over to Hugging Face Spaces and pick any space you want to run. In my case, I'm choosing the Kokoro TTS Space, which is a great text-to-speech demo. Just open the space. That's where we'll grab everything we need to containerize it and run it on Runpod. Next, we're going to set things up on Runpod. On the Runpod dashboard, go to the Templates section in the top navigation and click New Template. Now switch back to the Kokoro TTS Space on Hugging Face. In the top right corner, open the three-dot menu and click Run Locally. This shows you the exact Docker image the space uses. We'll copy that image. In this case, it's registry.hf.space/hexgrad-kokoro-t ts:/latest and paste it into the container image field in Runpod. For the start command, enter python app.py. Then set the exposed port to 7860, since that's the port used in the Docker command. Finally, open the environment variables section and add key, hugging, face, hub token, value, your Hugging Face, access token, and that's it. Your template is ready to deploy. Go to the pods section on the left and click Deploy. Choose a GPU. An H100 works great because of the high VRAM, but you can pick any option that fits your budget. Scroll down and click Change Template. Then select the template we just created. In my case, the Kokoro TTS template. Double-check your settings, hit Deploy at the bottom, and your pod will start up with the full Kokoro TTS Space, running on powerful GPU hardware. After deploying, wait a moment while the pod starts up. Open the logs to make sure everything is running correctly. If there's an issue, it will show up here. Sometimes you might see a disk space error, which just means the storage size you selected in your template wasn't enough. Other times you may see messages like retrying. If that happens, simply stop the pod and redeploy. But in our case, everything looks good. No errors in the logs, so we're ready to continue. Next, go to the Connect tab and click on the exposed port. That's port 7860. When the page opens, give it a little time to fully initialize. Don't start interacting with the interface immediately. Let the model load and everything warm up. Once it's ready, you can start using the Kokoro TTS demo, just like on Hugging Face, but now with your own GPU power behind it.
Whenever something negative happens to you, there is a deep lesson concealed within it. Whenever something negative happens to you, there is a deep lesson concealed within it.
All the instructions are also available in the link below, so make sure to click it and follow along for a smooth setup process.